To help with my reading goals of 20 books this year, I decided to build a book tracker application that would help to keep myself accountable publicly. This way, I am not relying on vibes or motivation, I'm relying on a system along with my book community. Now, if you've struggled to stay consistent reading, maybe what you need is not another goal, but building a better system. So why don't you try booktrack.favouritejome.dev today to keep ourselves accountable. See you there. Okay, so the first step is to go to your browser and then search for booktrack.favouritejome.dev. So now it takes you to the site, which allows you to track your reading journey, right? And there are a couple of features. So the first feature is there's the calendar mode, and then there's the fixed day mode. There's also a progress tracker. You can share your book publicly, so everyone will be able to track your reading journey as well. There's also PWA support, right? Meaning that you could install the web application on your phone as if it's a mobile app, right? So that would enable you install it like this and easily access it as if it's any other app. And then there's also cloud sync, right? So everything is synced on the cloud, and these are instructions on how to install the web app as a PWA. All right, so let's get started. Right, sign in with Google. Pick your Google account, and yeah, you're in. So now these are the books I am currently reading, right? But for an example in this video, I'm just going to create a new book, right? So add a new book. The name would be Show Your Work. Show Your Work. Your Work. The author is by Austin Kleon. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. So let's say there are 70 pages, right? So you could, since we're already in January 6th, we could just start from January 6th, right? But if you are adding a book that you've started already, you could just pick January 1st or whenever you started the book and then keep track of the book, right? So we're starting January 6th for this example, and then let's say we're ending on January 31st, right? So this first date is the start date, and then we have the end date. So this gives you a summary here. So the reading period is from January 6th to January 31st, and then that is a total of 25 days. So if the book total pages of your book is 70 pages, that means you would, on an average, you should read 3 pages out of per day. Now, the visibility settings, you can choose to mark this book as public. For this demo, I'm going to mark it as public, and you can choose to show your name and create the book. Now, once the book is created, it shows you this, right? And you can see the book is public. You